Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. Well, it's another day. I'm really sore and sluggish today because I pushed my body too hard yesterday. So I haven't touched the camera yet, and I've just been plodding along. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and all I've done was build a desk and get a post up. Last night, it's cute, Michelle found out she can fit here and make a nap area, so she set herself up with a little nap bed. And she absolutely loved this last night. After I put the camera down, she was running up and down and round and through and coming out in the living room and saying, I'm going to go in there and go in the room again and run round and round. So she loved it. Today, sluggish and slow as I am, I put in a post here and I'm going to build her playhouse. And it's 24 inches deep plus what, 28 inches. When it's all done. Or is it 24 inches wide. It fits a chair comfortably with room to spare. So I tested it out and I sat in there to make sure it's going to fit and be comfortable. And then she'll have her little playhouse. She can go run up here, drop in through the cubby hole I made, and then go into her playhouse and out and around, and she can play in here. And I made her an oak desk today. This is 6 foot long by 1.5 inches thick by 20 inches deep, and this one even has oak legs. So she's got a very rugged, solid oak desk, which I will also remove and finish in the spring. We just don't have the weather for that right now, and I wanted her to have her bedroom usable. It was too small before. And so this is all ready to go and ready to use, and I've sat at it with a chair. And I have to duck my head a little myself, but she's got years to grow into it. Actually, she's shorter than me, should be shorter than me when she grows up, so it should be fine. Now I'm just going to finish this part here with the live edge slabs, and then come in halfway over to finish the playroom, and that'll be it for today. Maybe in the future I'll put a door, but for now that's enough. And again, I did sit here in the chair comfortably, and I can stretch my legs. I don't know if she's ever going to want a chair in there, but the idea is she has a playhouse, she has a kitchen set, and she has a shopping set, and I'll probably put some shelves over here for her, and then she can enjoy and play. Today I'm not doing every detail on camera because I am so much in pain and exhausted from yesterday. And because, I mean, you've seen quite a bit of footage of me putting screws in wood and running the saw. So I'm just going to give you some summaries today and get this done. It's not much left to do. I've got to put these boards on and put that half wall and then move her stuff back in. Oh boy. Okay, there's one wall of her rustic treehouse playroom. So it's coming along. From this view, it's finished. I just got to do the inside wall, and then I'm done with the day. Hey guys, well, I have to slouch, but I'm here. I'm comfortable. I finished the playhouse wall. It's not huge, but I want her to be able to sit at her desk and work at the desk and not be scraping her chair against the back. But I also wanted her to have a little cubby hole to hide in. Now she can run around, as I said, up the deck, fly through the hatch here into her little house. I can put some shelves in here, and probably somewhere, I don't know, I'll figure it out. I'll have some shelves so she can have her little kitchen here and play her little house games, and finally she'll have a place where she can play. Again, it's not huge, but this room isn't huge either. It is what it is. You got what you got here with this room. But I think that it's going to be way, way better for her now. I think she's going to really very much love and enjoy this. I'll put her TV down over here in the corner on the desk. She can have her books out here. I still got some shelves to build, but I'm done today. Honestly, I am exhausted and I am finished for today. I'm going to have some RGB LED lamps, remote control LED lights strung up down through here, so she can set her mood, have flash in her different colors, or white as needed to study by or read a book or whatever. My idea was, though, here, this chair is a little high for me, but she will be able to sit here into her teenage years comfortably in a chair like this, because she should be shorter than me. Her mom's a lot shorter than me. She should be shorter than me. Anyway, if I have to, I can always build her a shorter chair. But the idea is she can always enjoy this even into her teenage years, and have a place to enjoy in her bedroom, her own. So I hope you like it. She loves it. She's got that weird cat thing going on yesterday. That was weird. Well, anyway, I'll get her response when she gets here. So see you in a little while. I'm going to enjoy my coffee and just look over my work. All right, Michelle, come on in. Have a look. What do you think? Check it out. This is your tree house here. Look at that. See what I did for you? Huh?
Go.
What do you think?
Go climb. Is that nice?
You like it? What do you think of your desk? It's huge. I put the TV in for you. And, of course, you can hide under your desk. Of course. Look, come here. Let me show you what... You've got all this space for all your art and your projects, homework. What do you think of that? Huh? What about your little playhouse? Go sit in the chair. You don't. That chair I just put there. That chair goes to the desk. But now look, you can run out. You can climb out through here. That's your window, and that's your doorway.
That's a hiding place. Huh?
Yeah, it is. I knew she'd like that. I always liked a hiding place when I was a kid. Michelle's gone. Just like a cat, she vanished underneath the steps. She's gone. Dug in like a cat. Well, there it is, guys. There's Michelle's new bedroom set. Do we get a thumbs up on this one? What do you think?
Do you like it?
She's just giving me a weird scowl. That's
Look,
embarrassing.
look.
Oh, there's a double thumbs up? Okay. You look like a little troll under a bridge. It looks like some cartoon character. Do you see that, Melanie?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. I'm gonna later put some shelves in here for her, but she now can run and jump and play. I overbuilt it, so nothing's gonna fall or break. She is gonna be able to run and pretty much play around and do whatever she wants without fear. Well, please like this video, guys. Tell me what you think. Subscribe if you haven't. We got cool stuff to come. I know where Michelle's going to be the rest of the evening. Huh? Bye, everybody.